Okay guys, today we're going to do something a little bit fun and unique with this tour. We're going to go see one of my listings in Benbrook, Texas. Very affordable, but I'm going to show you two things. In the first part of the video, we are going to tour this house and I'm going to tell you all about the actual costs of purchasing this home and how you can get into this house for under $15,000, which is awesome. The second part, if you will stick around, we're going to use some AI tools to kind of redo the house and see how we can make this really budget-friendly home into a ultimate dream home in this really, really cute neighborhood. So I hope you will stick around. I am Debbie Bird with League Real Estate, and let's go tour this house. Oh, and I forgot to mention, we're going to do all of this in under 5 minutes. Let's go. Okay, to start with, we are in Benbrook. This is Whitestone Hills. We back up to West Park Elementary School. Benbrook schools are great. Okay, walk in. This house has a really great layout. I love the little vaulted ceilings in all the rooms. It just makes it feel spacious. That's an office up front with doors that close. Here is a formal dining room that is separate. Also could be used as some other flex space if you don't need a formal dining room and a breakfast room. Kitchen has a great open layout. It has a pantry, comes with appliances, including a built-in microwave and that refrigerator. Breakfast area, and then it looks out into the living room, and I love how open this is. It's great for entertaining, also good for if you have to keep an eye on small kids. Garage, typical two-car garage with a single door. All right, let's head over here. There's wood laminate floors. This is a wood-burning fireplace. It's also wired for surround sound right there on that wall. If we go back through here, this is the first bedroom, but also has a full-size laundry room, hall bath, and the first bedroom. Pretty average size closets. Okay, let's talk real quick about what this house would cost. Okay, we've got a home price of $345,000. If you do a 3.5% down payment, that's $12,075. Then we go down to today's interest rate. On a 30-year fixed mortgage, it's 5.99, or an FHA, it's 5.49, and this is September 17th, 2025. Okay, and then you get your monthly principal and interest at $1,993, taxes about $632, insurance $300 a month, mortgage insurance because you paid under 20% down is $122 a month. That makes your total payment $3,048. That's with the regular conventional loan. If you go down to the FHA loan, it's $3,005 a month. And that's super affordable, y'all. It's way cheaper than a lot of these apartments I'm seeing. Okay, back to the house. We've got a separate shower, big old garden tub, a nice size walk-in closet in the master bedroom. There is carpet in the master bedroom and the two extra bedrooms, but you could get that changed if you wanted to. Then we go out to the patio. Cute little patio over here that's shaded and a nice size yard with no homes behind you. And a ton of privacy back there because of that tiered wall. Okay guys, it's a really cute little house. It's very basic, but it has an awesome layout, really great size, a lot of great space. But let's go back to the start and see if we can't make it a little bit better with just a few $1,000. So let's go try again. Okay guys, first we hit up this office. I used some AI tools, painted the walls white, added some inexpensive furniture that I've linked below, and y'all, I made this thing come out to $680 to renovate the whole thing. Okay, now we've got the dining room, basic, and then here we go. I priced it out. We can do this room for as low as $1,500. Okay, now we've got the kitchen. Now this is harder because we got to paint the cabinets, but let's see. Okay, this would cost about $500 if you did it yourself. If you paid a pro, it would probably cost closer to $4,000 or $5,000. But now we've got the breakfast room. If we just change the furniture and paint the walls, it's about $1,100. If we want new floors, that's another $2,000. All right, living room. This is the most fun part to me. I cannot wait to see this reveal. White walls and furniture comes to a total of $3,500, and that includes the fan. Okay guys, what did you think? What did you think of the new style? Did you like me adding in some of the AI design tools, or do you just want the straight tour? I would love to hear in the comments below. Obviously, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, all of those things. My name is Debbie Bird with League Real Estate. I will see y'all next time. Bye-bye.